Hey YouTube, welcome back. Beautiful day outside. Nothing but sunshine, good weather, not a cloud in the sky. It's nice out. But back to work. Put up a video yesterday. Nobody watched it. It is what it is. It's only been on, a few hours, but it is time to run the drill press and see if I can drill through this tomahawk hatchet head. So we're going to see what happens. With any luck, I'll be good to go. But here's a heads up, I did a cheat. I pre-drilled a little bit with the drill press just to see if it was going to go. So we're going to go from there. So I have the head of the tomahawk hatchet clamped inside the vise and set up on the drill press, and it's just a matter of pulling the handle down a little bit. Thankfully this is not as loud as the belt grinder, so I'm gonna turn this on and give it a go and see what happens. Yeah, look at that, nice and slow, nice and quiet. Oh, and it's cutting. It's going through, so I'm happy. I was worried that with this hardened piece of steel I wouldn't be able to drill a hole, but it's working. Let's see if I'll get through the other side. Yep, I see little metal chips flying. It seems to be going through. So, there we go. First little drill bit gone through. So my next step is I'm going to continually increasing the size of the drill bit to get the hole wider, and then once the handle is shaped and put in, I'm going to drill through the handle and then pin a rivet through there. So this makes me very happy that it's working, and yeah, that's just an update for now. I'll probably film some more drill bits going through it just to get more content, but yeah, let me swap out that drill bit and go for the next piece. Trivia time. This will lead to a shout out. First person that comments the name of the song and the artist, I'll give away a freebie. I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? I know what it's going to be. I'm going to turn this piece of steel into a replica of this knife. So the first person to tell me who's on the radio, the name of the group, and the name of the song gets the freebie. Apparently freebies seem to work, so we'll see what happens. Got the next drill bit in, and we're going to give it a go. Oh, it's a little whiny. That is the sign of either a dull bit or I went too far up to the next bit. Yeah, nobody wants to hear that. I'm going to switch to a smaller bit. That poor sad little thing. Oh, it's so sad. It's angry. It wants to scream and make noise. Again, Everybody listen to this song that's on. Let me know when you recognize it, who it is. Because I actually think that'd be a fun thing. I might do stuff like this more often, but I've only got 113 subscribers, so I need to get that number up. I'm not sure what I have to do, but yeah. Oh, look, it's a happy bed. Nice and quiet. It's not crying and screaming. That's good stuff right there. So I'm just going to keep going bit by bit and see what happens. There's a caveat to the song that's being played, or that was being played. You have to know the song. Google search, Alexa, any of those other apps or anything to cheat is not allowed. It has to be a known song from memory. Yeah, the drill press was a very good investment. Yep. That's good stuff. Nice low speed, constant spin, and it's working. So I'm just gonna keep going, see when I feel as though I got the right size for painting a rivet in there. Small hole, but it is what it is. So when I do get done drilling out till I think I got a sizable spot for a rivet, I'll show you guys. Alright, so I've come to the thought that after going through a couple different drill bits, that 3/16 is the size I want to use for my rivet. So this is the 3/16 bit. I'm gonna go through there, and that'll be the last one. I'm gonna do some more refinement and clean things up and go from there. But I'm happy that this is working, and I'm happy to share it with all of you. So let's finish this up. Man, that's a nice quiet machine. I like it. There is our hole for the rivet that's going to hold that handle in there. Yep. A little bit of cleanup here. I got a deburring piece that I can use, and matter of fact, I'll show you that too. It's this bit right here that goes in, and you just pull it deep enough, and what it does is it cuts in and rounds it out so that there's no burrs or anything on there. So I'll probably take care of that just to do it. It's almost like a countersink as well, which will help for painting a rivet in there. But yeah, good stuff. Now, I hope you've all enjoyed your Memorial Day. I don't like saying happy Memorial Day like I said in yesterday's video. is not all that happy when somebody, gives everything for their country. But it is what it is. Tonight, I'm going to be cooking, what is it, jalapeno cheddar bratwursts, some corn on the cob, and garlic mashed potatoes. So, that's what's on the menu. And yeah. So, everybody stay safe. Be good. Don't imbibe too much in the alcoholic beverages. Definitely don't drink if you're going to drive. That doesn't really work out for the best of anybody. But we'll see you on the next installment of the Tomahawk Hatchet. Stay safe. Party on. So here it is. 3/16 hole. Rounded out. All the way through. Looks good. Is it perfect? No. Is it handmade? To an extent. But I'm happy I'm not going to run a shim through here. But I'm going to run a rivet in there. And that deburring tool puts just enough of a lip in there that when I peen that steel piece in there, it's going to sit inside that rounded out spot. So yeah, until next time, everybody enjoy, have fun, stay safe.